Maya, okay, I need you to picture the most impressive sandcastle you've ever seen. Like, at the beach, some professional artist spent 10 hours on it, right?
Okay, I'm picturing it. Towers, moats, the whole thing. Why?
Now, imagine that sandcastle is 45 feet tall, covers an entire city block, and has been standing for over 100 years in the middle of West Africa.
Wait, what? 100 years? Made of sand?
Basically, it's the Great Mosque of Djenné in Mali. It is, and this blew my mind, the largest adobe building in the entire world. It's literally made of sun-baked mud bricks and palm wood.
No way. Mud? In a world of steel and glass, there's a massive cathedral-sized mosque made of earth?
Yes, and it's gorgeous. It's got this, this organic, melted look to it. It's in the Sudano-Sahelian style, which means it has these huge tapering towers and these wooden beams, they're called toron, sticking out of the walls. It looks like it's bristling, almost like a beautiful architectural hedgehog.
A hedgehog? That's a very Leo analogy. But wait, if it's made of mud, what happens when it rains? I mean, Mali gets a rainy season, right? Wouldn't it just melt?
That is exactly the point. It does erode. Every year the rain washes some of the plaster away. But, and this is the coolest part, the building only survives because of a giant party.
A party?
It's called the crépissage. Basically, the entire city of Djenné turns the maintenance of the mosque into an annual festival. They spend days preparing the special mud plaster in big pits. The kids are usually the ones assigned to jump in the pits and mix it with their feet because, they love the mess.
Of course they do.
And then, on the day of the festival, it's a race. The young men scramble up the side of the mosque using those wooden beams I mentioned, those toron, as built-in scaffolding. They're like human Spider-Men, smearing fresh mud over the walls to seal them for another year. The women bring the water, the elders sit in the square and give advice. It's the ultimate community DIY project.
That is actually beautiful. It's like the building has a heartbeat because the people have to keep it alive. It's not just a monument, it's a relationship.
Exactly. It's a living thing. If the people stopped caring for even a few years, it would eventually just return to the earth.
I'm trying to visualize the top of it. You said it has towers?
3 huge minarets. And, okay, here is the wait really moment for you. Do you know what sits on the very tip of every spire?
A crescent moon? A gold leaf?
Nope. Ostrich eggs.
Wait, really? Actual ostrich eggs?
Real ones. They place them on the pinnacles. In their culture, the eggs represent fertility and purity. It's like this perfect, fragile white crown on top of this massive earthy structure.
That's incredible. I love that. It's such a specific local touch. It makes you realize how much history is packed into those walls. How old is the site actually?
So the first mosque there was built way back in the 13th century. Legend says a sultan converted to Islam and literally had his palace pulled down to build a mosque. But the version we see today was actually rebuilt in 1907. There was a French explorer back in the day, Félix Dubois, who was kind of a hater, honestly. He saw the ruins of the old one and then saw the new one being built and said it looked like a cross between a hedgehog and a church organ.
Hey, he stole your hedgehog analogy.
He did. He was being cynical, but honestly, looking at pictures, it's just majestic. The citizens of Djenné actually fought to keep it traditional. When people tried to bring in modern materials or tiles in the 90s, the community said, no thanks, we like our mud. They've resisted the urge to make it permanent in the way we think of buildings.
There's a lesson in that, isn't there? Sometimes the things that require the most work to maintain are the ones we value the most. It's about the effort, not just the result.
Totally. It's the opposite of our set it and forget it culture.
Talking about these kinds of places always makes me feel like the world is so much bigger and more interesting than my morning commute.
Right?
Honestly, if you're listening and feeling that too, you should join the loop with us. Get your daily curiosity fix and come back tomorrow. We've always got something weird and wonderful to talk about.
Oh, always. I have a list, Maya. It's a long list.
I don't doubt it. So back to the mosque. You said it's on a platform?
Yeah, a huge one. It's raised about 3 meters up. Because it's on a floodplain, the platform keeps it dry when the river rises. It's like the building is standing on its tiptoes to keep its hem out of the mud.
I can just see it. Sunset over the Niger River, this massive golden brown structure glowing, and those ostrich eggs catching the last bit of light.
It's pure magic. It makes you want to go grab a bucket of mud and help out, doesn't it?
Maybe I'll leave the climbing to the professionals, but I'll definitely keep thinking about it.
Stay curious, Maya.
See you again. stay curious.